Hello everyone and welcome to our comprehensive guide on industrial roof repairs. Keeping an industrial roof in good condition is crucial for maintaining the safety and efficiency of your operations. Over time, roofs can suffer from wear and tear, which can lead to leaks and other costly damages. That's why regular maintenance and timely repairs are essential. Let's talk about some common issues you might encounter with industrial roofs. These include leaks, punctures, and membrane shrinkage. Harsh weather conditions and the natural aging process can exacerbate these problems. Addressing these issues promptly will help prevent further damage and save money in the long run. There are several solutions available for industrial roof repairs. Depending on the severity and type of damage, options include patching small leaks, replacing damaged sections, or applying protective coatings. Each repair requires specific expertise, so it's crucial to partner with professionals who understand the complexities of industrial roofing. When choosing a roofing contractor, look for a team with experience, a solid reputation, and a commitment to safety. A good contractor will offer a thorough inspection, clear communication, and a detailed action plan tailored to your needs. HMC Works is one such company, renowned for its quality workmanship and customer satisfaction in industrial roof repairs. In conclusion, maintaining your industrial roof is not just a matter of aesthetics, but a critical step in safeguarding your business. Whether you are responding to wear and tear or unexpected damages, timely repairs will ensure your operations run smoothly. For more information or to schedule an inspection, visit HMC Works website today.